This is FX Mesh Smashing It. What is going on, guys? I took some positions on GBPUSD and I'll show you what I did. GBPUSD, how did I take the position? How did I get those positions? Good. Now I took a position on this particular trade on a 15 minutes time frame around this region. I sold around this region to this point, although I closed it before it got to this point because I was not too sure of the market. Today is early Tuesday, where the market is trying to settle down. And I'll show you something on my computer screen which is clearly explaining how I took this GBPUSD. Now let's go over to the computer screen. This is my computer screen here, and I'm not going to explain how I set this up, but what I know is that I drew a trend line and psychological levels as well. This is a multi-time frame analysis where I use two time frame, 4 hours time frame to set up this and draw the setup, and also a 15 minutes time frame. Then only this is a 15 minutes time frame now, and a GBPUSD. So when the market came up to this trend line, it bounced back, came up here again, it bounced back, it came in for the third time. So I took a sell around this area. And how did I take a sell? I took a sell because psychological levels and weak rejections are around the same, are touching the same region, with the trend line in the same region as well. So I thought it's going to reverse here, but it went up and gave me a little bit of some drawdown. Then it pushed to the downside and tanked down, and that's how I made this profit of this amount you can see on the screen here. Now I'm trading GBPAUD. GBPAUD. Let's see the chart on my phone. Now GBPAUD on a 15 minutes time frame, you can see that around this area, that each time the market comes to this point, there's always reactions with weak rejections each time it gets to around this level. So now it goes up, come down, up, down, up, down, and just like that. Then it comes to this direction. Now it's here again. I'm taking note of what I think is going to happen in the market based on previous performance and behavior, and I expect the market to push to the upside. And I will show you on the computer, which is more clearer and more GBPUD, and on a weekly time frame, so you can have a picture of what the market is showing us. You can see I'm bringing it down for you to see. Now that point I showed you just now on my phone is what is on the computer here as well. You can see each time the market gets around this area, you can see that there's always a reaction. It comes down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, and it takes a long while to come to this level. Now it's down here now, and I'm expecting it to push to the upside. So I'm expecting this to, I'm expecting the market to drive through this green part, which is the profit area, and it's going to take some time. So far the market has been pushing to the downside. It means AUD has been getting strength compared to GBP, but I expect a push to the upside to claim some profit. Between here and here is like 200 pips, which is a lot of pips, but I might not be greedy. I might not wait for the market to get to this point, maybe somewhere around here, and then I'll just call it a day. Now this FX Mesh, just a little explanation regarding how I entered profit and the positions I'm still holding. So GBPAUD is what I'm holding. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.